Let me take you back to a time when love was as precious as diamonds, where if you search you would find it. I know that times have changed, but I don't wanna play no games, baby.
Suzuki has launched the 5-door Jimny in South Africa. The feature-loaded SUV has been introduced at 429,990 South African rand. The vehicle is offered in two variants, GL and GLX. The SUV measures 3,985 mm in length, 1,655 mm in width, and 1,720 mm in height, and has a wheelbase of 2,590 mm. This means that the 5-door has a 70 mm longer wheelbase and is 340 mm longer than the 3-door. The Suzuki Jimny 5-door for South Africa looks identical to the one offered in our market. It retains the front fascia, featuring a multi-slat grille with chrome elements, round LED headlamps, and massive lower bumper that houses a slim air dam and fog lamps. The side profile has squared-off wheel arches with massive cladding and blacked-out wing mirrors and multi-spoke alloys. It retains the rear look with a tailgate-mounted spare wheel. The interior of the Jimny 5-door is also identical to the 3-door model. The dashboard has an all-black theme that looks quite rugged and a high-mounted 9.0-inch touchscreen taking center stage. Some bits like the steering wheel and circular dials for the HVAC controls are shared with other Suzuki models. It also gets a dashboard-mounted grab handle on the passenger side and Fox exposed bolts that add to the rugged appeal. The driver gets rectangular instrument binnacle with deep-set analog circular dials for speedo and tachometer with a separate MID in between. Other highlights include plenty of smart storage spaces, center console-mounted front power window buttons, a stack of toggle-like switches on the center console, and a 4x4 gear lever as well. In terms of features, the Jimny 5-door gets Maruti's Smart Play Pro Plus infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an Archimedes sound system. It has a cargo capacity of 208 liters, which can be expanded to 332 liters after folding the bench. The 1.5-liter naturally aspirated K15 engine runs the show for both 3-door and 5-door Jimny. This engine is capable of churning out 102 PS of peak power and 130 Nm of peak torque. Transmission options include a 5-speed manual and a 6-speed torque converter automatic. Suzuki's all-grip 4x4 system is offered as standard. Suzuki Jimny 5-door owners will be able to choose from 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high, and a 4-wheel drive low modes for some serious off-roading courtesy of a 36-degree approach angle, a 24-degree breakover angle, and a 50-degree departure angle, and a 210 mm ground clearance.
Jungle.